Hi love! Hi everyone! Hi mga may gugmaon! It's me, Kar&Love, and I'm back again with another video. So, it's been a while since I vlogged a video about Esturya sa gugma. And hi, I'm back again, people, with the Esturya sa gugma segment. And yeah, I have a nice topic right now. And for this video's topic, it will be about staying single. Maybe you have in mind that I'm saying staying single because I want to promote single because I'm also single. Kasi baka inaakala nyo na nadamay ako, diba? Pero, hindi. Hindi talaga. If taken ka, if you're taken right now, then go for it. Enjoy it. Love your partner as you love yourself. Don't forget, you have to love yourself first, okay? So back to the topic. This video, again, is not promoting for you to be single if you're taken right now. And I don't say sa mga single ngayon, hindi ko sinasabi na, okay, single ako forever. Of course, ako rin no, ayoko maging single forever. Pero nga, I will give you pointers kung bakit dapat tayong single sa ngayon. So ito ang mga pointers o dahilan o dapat mong gawin muna bago ka sa isang relasyon. So first is that enjoy your time. So if you're like me, you're still a student and that's your time being a student. That's your time. That's your time and you have to focus on your time. You have to enjoy it. You have to enjoy being a student, being a daughter or a son. You have to enjoy the moment, giving back the sacrifices your parents have given to you. As a student, you have to prepare yourself. You have to prepare yourself for the future, of course, not just today. We all know being a student and also being a true relationship can be managed right now. Okay, there are some that can, manage ko naman yan, so ganun. Pero, we don't know what happened in the future. Dadating din sa panahon na kapag mawala na siya ng gana, di ba dadating sa panahon na masasaktan ka, baka maapektuhan yung pag-aaral mo. So, you have to think for your future first. Sabi nga nila, dadating yan sa tamang panahon, di ba? And also, you have to enjoy yourself first. You have to enjoy your company, your self-company, okay, your friends' company, so that you will know how to value yourself first. You have to love yourself first, okay? So that's it. First is enjoy your time. The second one is you have to be mature first, okay? Maybe maraming nagsasabi dyan na I am matured, I am an independent woman, I am an independent man. But then maturity in relationship, when you know how to handle relationship that much, well, maybe yung iba dyan nagsasabi I can grow mature with him or her, or we can grow mature together. But okay, let's say like that. But what if, okay? What if you will lose that person in the process while you were together? Because we don't know the time. We don't know if siya na ba yung forever mo, siya na ba yung happily ever after mo, but then we don't know. So you have to be mature in your own self para kapag mawala yung tao, ganun, alam mo sa sarili mo, naging matured ka, while ikaw lang. So, parang hindi ganun masakit. You will find yourself back in your old life kapag mawala yung tao. So, next, the third one is, not everyone who wants you is with good intentions. We all know that immature people are always there. Yung tipong, okay, chuchuwain ko to kasi kasi maganda. Okay na to. Pang, sa barkada. Ganun. May ganun mga, parang, yung intention ba? Merong iba na, okay, chuchuwain ko to kasi matalino eh. Okay na to. Pang, pang school project lang. You know, not everyone who wants you is with good intention. They only want you because you are rich. They only want you because you are smart. They only want you because you're beautiful or handsome. Because you are famous. Because you can help with their problems. Daming ganun. You have to think first. That's why you you have to stay single for right now because you can't identify. You have to be mature enough para ma-identify mo yung taong nararapat sa'yo, yung with good intentions. So, ganun. So, dapat single na tayo, guys. So, next is, this is the most, lalo na sa mga Christians out there. You have to wait for God's perfect partner in a perfect time. Marami akong naririnig kaya nito. And yes, exactly. We have to wait for that partner, for that certain person that God reserves to us. Maybe that certain person is with other people pa ngayon, nasasaktan sa iba, ganun. But you know what? God reserves someone for us. Someone who is worthy of our faithfulness, of our loyalty, of our love, of our care, worthy of everything that we can give to him or her. Yung tipong pagplanado ng Diyos, talagang para sa'yo. Masasaktan ka man, pero kahit anong mangyari, para sa'yo yan. And that person, okay? Kasi marami ngayon nagmamadali sa di nila alam maling tao na pala. Kasi hindi sila nag-wait sa taong tinadhana ng Panginoon sa kanila. So, kaya ngayon, feeling nila, hindi sila worthy love, hindi sila maganda, hindi sila kamahal-mahal. Parang always feel nila, parang siya lang nag-iisa, wala talagang magmamahal sa kanya. So, maraming ganun. So, we have to wait for God's perfect person at a perfect time. Because God's plan is the best. Yeah, God's plan is the best. Nothing ever matters but His plan, okay? And while you were waiting for that certain person, you have to pray for him or her. To pray that that certain person is in good hands. You will pray that he's being stronger. Ask God for the safetyness of your future partner. Iba yung happiness pag ganun. If you will find that certain person because of prayer, because of God's plan, ganun, that person is really worthy. And you will also feel worthy by that person. So that's it for that topic. Staying single, staying happy, and staying away from heartbreaks. So that's it for today, guys. And I hope you've learned something from this video. And I hope you will stay single until that one person whom you dream about will come into your life. Okay, just wait for it. God is still working with your partner. God is still working him or her to be stronger. God is preparing the right person for you. Just wait for it and relax. Sit because singles are beautiful. Singles are handsome. And we don't need the other person to make us happy. So that's it for today, guys. Again, you have to enjoy your time first. You have to be mature enough. And not all people who wants you is with good intentions. And lastly, wait for God's perfect partner at the perfect time for you, okay? Stay tuned for another vlog again, guys, about Esturya sa gugma. And I hope you've learned something from this video. Also, stay safe always, guys. Stay in your homes and let's fight COVID-19 together. Bye-bye. Shout out to those April babies who were born April. Happy birthday to you guys.